Hey guys, it's Steph from saphyrasgoodies, and this is a trade confo for Pikachu Puppy Love. I hope that's right. So first you wanted these Unicorno stationery pieces, or stationery papers. There's 2 of each, and there's 4 kinds. That's the first one. That's the second one. The third one. And the 4th one. Sorry if you can hear the music in the background, my TV's on. And then you wanted this stack of little memo pad sheets. So there's that one, this one, this one. I'm just going to go through these fairly quickly. And I think this is the last one. Yep, that's the last one. So I thank you for trading with me, and if I forgot anything, have your sister kick me. And this will go out the same day that your sister's does. So, thanks guys.